Ever felt a sneeze coming and tried to stop it? Bad idea. Holding in a sneeze is like trapping an explosion inside your head. The pressure can shoot up to 20 times higher than normal. You risk rupturing your eardrums, bursting blood vessels in your eyes, or even tearing your throat. Sounds extreme? Well, doctors have reported cases of people tearing their windpipes just by stifling a sneeze. And get this, the force of a suppressed sneeze can even break your ribs. Yes, it's rare, but it happens. Your body sneezes for a reason, to expel irritants and protect your lungs. Stop it, and you're trapping bacteria inside. Next time, let it out, just cover your mouth.